for this shit, man. Animal. One animal. One animal.
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 Animal. Legs up. I'm ready, man. Give a shout out to all my old outlets, you already know. We're the new. Shout out to LB, shout out to Billiards, shout out to the boy, we're the building hyper. Shout out to my bad niggas. Let me give a shout out to my niggas. Let me give a shout out to my LB niggas. My LB niggas. Let me give a shout out to my poor niggas. We gon' make this money for the hood, bitch. We gon' make this money for the hood, bitch. We gon' make this money for the hood, bitch. We gon' make this money for the hood, bitch. Let me give a shout out to my stag niggas. My stag niggas all about they bread. That bread nigga. Let me give a shout out to my belt niggas. My belt niggas. My belt niggas don't play against that shooter nigga. Let me give a shout out to my LB niggas. My LB niggas. My LB niggas always on the Elo nigga. The Elo nigga. Let me give a shout out to my port niggas. My port niggas. My port niggas don't fuck with fake niggas. No fake niggas. Let me give a shout out to my stripper hoes. Stripper hoes always got that money flow. That money flow. Let me give a shout out to the Long Island. Long Island. Let me rephrase it. I mean Strong Island. Let me give a shout out to my stand niggas. Let me give a shout out to my belt niggas. My belt niggas. Let me give a shout out to my LB niggas. My LB niggas. Let me give a shout out to my poor niggas. My poor niggas. Gon' make this money for the hood, bitch. We gon' make this money for the hood, bitch. We gon' make this money for the hood, bitch. We gon' make this money for the hood, bitch. Let's get this money. Let's blow this racks. I smell the line. I'm talking bustin' tracks. I can't move that way. I just want the cash. Free my cousin case. And bring my nigga back. Run up on your bitch. You spin them juice. No lacking. We no damn whole star juice. Wanna shout out my neck. Boy, y'all move. Fuck nigga. Talking out of turn, bro. Fuck snitches. No pressure on my back. Cause I got bands, roll. My ass for 150s to blow my nose. I'm just cool, making a breeze, you already know. Let me give a shout out to my stag niggas. Let me give a shout out to my belt niggas. Let me give a shout out to my LB niggas. Let me give a shout out to my poor niggas. We gon' make this money for the hood, bitch. We gon' make this money for the hood. Tricks on my head, put another bitch on another bitch, and I'm taking bitch and she sucking dick. Whole clean in love me, touch to that bitch, like never been. She keep understanding me. So you hoes like, fuck niggas, they don't want drama. Pussy nigga don't pop pop. Back blocks ain't talking money, nigga holler, pull it in, pull it out. Straight pop me in the trap. I watch niggas on fuck shit, like a whole bitch, let her run it out. She on my lips, I fuck the bitch and turn it out. Back when I whole shit. all my ladies.
I need all my bitches, real bitches, to please come to the fucking front. And the fat bitches, please stand back. All my real niggas, come to the fucking front. If y'all some fake niggas, please stand back.
Where the 80s babies at, man? Let me see some hands on this motherfucker. Where the 80s babies at, man?
Big ass back to school, like big ass bag.
Drop that, man. Drop that.
Huh? I'm about to go.
I know that. Moves. Yeah. Party in, man. She can get it anywhere. Cause that money never come. Success only out, so you know she number one. Throwing money in the air. She can get it anywhere. Cause that money make her come. So you know she number one. They going and holler at me. Trying to see what's good with you. Live that single life without you being bad. You got a man I wanna know, so I'm asking. The way you shining in this room is all a little passion. Money anything, girl, I can cater to you. Meet me on the battle, we can have a drink or two. First day I met her, I had to make her mine. They don't fuck around, it's mine, no she top of line. Don't even drink with me, unless it's top of wine. Throwing money in the air, nobody fucking with her. And that's a bet I spent. Pass in the room, put her anywhere. Throwing money in the air, pass in the room, she can get it anywhere. I'ma make it rain, cause that money make it come. Success only out, so you know she number one. Throwing money in the air, she can get it anywhere. Yo, what's in the second verse though, man? I ain't when you started off. Wonder how that body feel. Don't slow it down, back it up, girl, speed it up. I'm going low, I'm going deep until your head and up. Pussy got a nigga weak, shit I'm tryna cut. All about the clean, but lately I've been thinking us. Cute as ever, and I ain't tryna fuck us up. Ring on it, so she know what's up. Won't be a fantasy, wanna be like Candy B. Call you my lovely lady, yeah, my wife to be. My number one fan, she keep me out the streets. I got love for her, and that love is deep. Without her in my life, I feel incomplete. Throwing money in the air, that's in the room, she can get it anywhere. I'ma make it rain, cause that money make it come. Success only out, so you know she number one. For the party, throwing money in the air. She can get it anywhere. Cause that money make it come. Success only out, so you know she number one. She can get it anywhere. We need y'all to rock out to this last one, you feel me? I make this for y'all bad bitches out there. For y'all bad bitches, make some noise, man. Nah, you gotta see it louder than that. She can get it anywhere. Pass in the room, she can get it anywhere. Next one, man. That fucking with that one? Nah. Ain't no bad Smart. For them face niggas I got behind y'all back, man. It's nigga real nigga on my back, man. I swear. I got real niggas. These niggas got. And I got real niggas behind my back. Real niggas behind my back. Cool niggas behind my back. Fake niggas behind my back. Real niggas behind my back. Real niggas behind my back. Behind my back. Fake niggas behind my back. Real niggas behind my back. Real shooters behind my back. Cool niggas behind my back. Fake niggas behind my back. Real niggas behind my back. Real shooters behind my back. Behind my back. I'm a real nigga. I fuck with real niggas. All about they bread. Believe it, nigga. Swore up, nigga. Fucking with the team. No lack of breath. If you fuck with ear, told that eye, nigga. That's where that at. These niggas won't hold me back. These niggas won't hold me back. These niggas wanna see me say these niggas wanna see me drive. I'm in this bitch tonight, fucking with the real rights. I'm with the shit tonight, cause I ain't fixed to fight. Fuck with me the long way. I'm rolling pills, I'm trippy. I'm Mitch, intermittent for the paper. Fuck niggas, them snitches, motherfucking hater. Real niggas, fake niggas, them same niggas that be hating. Point a nigga out, let them dudes get a rap. Shit is going down. We packing tools, nigga. Word to my mother, I don't fuck with new niggas. Heights world, shout out my nigga. Got the real niggas behind my back. Real shooters behind my back. Cool niggas behind my back. Fake niggas behind my back. Real niggas behind my back. Real shooters behind my back. Cool niggas behind my back. Fake niggas behind my back. Real niggas behind my back. Real shooters behind my back. Behind my back. Fake niggas behind my back. Real niggas behind my back. Real shooters behind my back. Behind my back. Behind my back. Next one, man. Next one, man. Chevy city clean, niggas saying shit too high. But it's always clean like that old nigga too high. Price for the bean, nigga, or you get too high. The bullet cut my mouth zipping, I ain't never say shit. Stacking all this paper, got me riding in the spaceship. Niggas steady scheming when they see me, never say shit. Doing what I be before, from average, never basic. Back and forth to get it done, but never fuck the same bitch. For my dogs, I'm a road blood to their leg. Space Jam, George Warm, just a master whip. Straight cash, and we spit it all on tricks. Blasting holes like basketballs in this bitch. Free up in the tank, fuck the other side. Squeeze the trigger, pocket clip, and watch some bullets fly. I'm gonna truck to put the dick on and then she ride. Nobody save at home, I ain't let shit slide. I did it for my dog, I did it for my dog. That's one man, that's one man. I did it for my dog, I did it for my dog. I did it for my dog, I did it for my dog. That's one man.
Hold on, man. We gonna do this right. This why we don't make it in the hood, cause none of y'all bitches or niggas fuck with us. Like real shit. If y'all fuck with us, let me know. Move on up.
Thanks. Thanks. Next one, man. Drop that door. Score. And let y'all know what I'm about. Shit, I'ma dig it out. You a lame nigga, a pussy nigga, a fuck nigga, I lay you out. You main nigga, no game. You main nigga, that's what I'm about. 60 racks in my pocket, 60 racks in my jeans. Niggas don't wear that tight shit, cause my shit stay clean. If y'all niggas ballin', y'all ballin' out with me. How's about that paper, man? Ain't shit fucking free. I'm always on the grind. Money stay on my mind. Ain't know I'm in the spot. Bitch, show me your love. Ain't know I'm with love. Fuck good shit. I don't care, man. I'm with it. Boy, your bitch get the G-shot. She was shit. Nigga, pussy nigga, fuck nigga, I lay out. I'm the main nigga, no game nigga. The main nigga, that's what I'm about. The main nigga, it's not even swag like it ain't nothing. Yeah, nigga, that type of nigga, that mother nigga on road. Fuck with me, you know. Don't like a bitch, we want. Keep cut though, don't fuck with dude. That nigga girl, she love the crew. Keep back in that 32. Got plenty though. What you talking for? that she with shit, I'ma dig it out. Nigga, I lame nigga, pussy nigga, fuck nigga, I lay out. I ain't nigga, no game nigga, I'm a game nigga, that's what I'm about. No aim nigga, got rain nigga, I spit this bitch and I ain't out. Next one, man, drop the next one, man. You ain't worried about that. I ain't worried about that shit. Shout out to my LP, shout out to all peace, you already know, High Swirl. They'll stand like, be a thug, you right, be a thug. Y'all know what I'm gonna be a thug. I done came up from a quarter, you ain't even know it, you ain't even know it. I done came up from a quarter, you ain't even know it. I done came up from the bottom, you ain't even know it. I done came up with a hood, you ain't even know it. I'm straight from the heights, you ain't even know it. The bitch, you ain't even know it. We hiding, the bitch, you ain't even know it. We leaned up in this bitch, you ain't even know it. I'm fucked up right now, you ain't even know it. I'm on that blueberry kush, you ain't know it. I'm flying in the bitch, you ain't even know it. I'm smoking with my niggas, and you know it. I'm in the club, I'm rolling up. I'm smoking dope, I'm smoking drugs. We leaned up, fucked up, leaned up, fucked up. I'm on my lead, niggas know I'm acting up. Acting tough, you know it. Man, I ain't know it. No fucking average, cause you know I'm cool. I'm that dope shit, that dope shit. You ain't know it. All that white slide boy shit, you just got it. I'm just saying, you ain't know. Squad heights got the fiends, you ain't know. Squad niggas on the block, you ain't know. I fuck with OG niggas, you ain't know. Holla at my cousin like that, free the fucking Lord, you already know this. Squad straight from the heights, you already know this. Niggas on this shit, we already know this. I done came up from a crib, you ain't even know it, you ain't know it. And I came up from a corner, you ain't even know it, you ain't know it. And I came up from the bottom, you ain't even know it, you ain't know it. And I came up with my hood, you ain't even know it, you ain't know it. I'm straight from the house, you ain't even know it, you ain't know it. We flying in the bitch, you ain't even know it, you ain't know it. We hiding in the bitch, you ain't even know it, you ain't know it. We laid up in this bitch, you ain't even know it. Smoking more around my chest, but I ain't even know it. I ain't showing up and I ain't gonna come. She ain't even know it. I'm sure all of her gas tank. She ain't even know it. You niggas know I enjoy that. Shit, you ain't even know it. That top bag goes summer, nigga. You ain't even know it. My people don't run around, nigga. You ain't even know it. Heights run, I'm running, nigga. You ain't even know it. Fuck with that shit, pussy bitch. She ain't even know it. I can smoke my weed, can't see my lips. You can pop it on for the bottom shit. And the mood that fucking clean. My niggas roll, we stacking it. And the lane that's back it. No Latin nigga, we back shit. We back shit. No Latin shit. I'm turned up, I'm in the spot. 3 yellow balls, take black shots. Nigga turned up, I think like I just put the block. I am the block, pistol with the 6-4. On Molly, like crystal. On my heart sick, my dick too. And that bitch fine, that bitch shook. No Latin nigga, that animal. That nigga, that she love clothes. More. And you ain't know. In the building. And you ain't know. And you ain't know. Next one, man. Next one, man. Yeah. It's your boy. Shout out to my Heights niggas, man. You know, all down with Hipster in the building. Follow this one. Let's follow this one. H-E-I-T-H-T real nigga. H-E-I-T-H-T real nigga. H-E-I-T-H-T real nigga. Fuck that nigga, you feel fucking good. I'm They said my boy's back. I'm talking about my cousin T. I told that night first, Mussolini. What up, Jimmy? On the strip, every day I got little niggas holding that bag. Rally Park, Roll Park, back in the field, fuck the cops. These niggas talk about dollars. These niggas talk about money. These niggas talk about close work. They really getting no shit. Really getting no chicks. Really getting no bitch. I need that to block. I niggas ain't even block. I niggas don't even drive. When you come up on this type shit, you niggas better fucking come your fucking bitch. Put down right on the corner. No good. It's a roller squad. We up on that Molly shit. I don't give a fuck until I'm on that Molly shit. G-H-T real nigga. H-E-I-G-H-T real nigga. H-E-I-G-H-T real nigga. H-E-I-G-H-T real squad. Real nigga. Next one, man. Next one. Yeah, so where the ladies at, right? Where the ladies at? Yeah. Squad.
Good drink. Look, I know girls say they want me.
Girls say they want me. But I didn't know, even though she was a hoe. She believed me to get along, but she don't know. I don't want her though. Said I'm a good girl, she is right at home. Or she wants daddy, she come right at home. And I know that, squad. Say my name. You can call me Raphael, you can call me Bigga, as long as you know. Say my name. You have to kind of change it. Baby, how you think I changed? Say my name. Say my name.
Say my name, and you know when I'm around you. Say my name,
And I know I ain't fucking acting. I'm trying to make this career for rapping. I'm just trying to do trapping. Baby, it's
trying to get a
deal with it. Agent. See that? Get love. We're gonna design clothes. I'ma be real rich. I'ma be real rich. I'ma be real rich.
I got some love.
It's a little secret, but I might be a little piece of it. Come a little closer. Come a little closer. A little closer. See that thing there? Right between your legs. Hey, put you right there. Lick the click. Yeah. Lick the click. Put your ass right there. Say my name. You can call me Raphael, or you can call me Bigga, as long as you know my name. Say my name. You like kind of fun. Oh baby, how you think I changed? Say my name. Say my name. You know when I'm around you. Squad back. Real ladies out there.
Next one, man. Next one, man.
As soon as bitches, fuck these bitches, that's my life. Got broke the riches, I ain't stopping at the red lights. When the papers, when the courts, know that shit ain't right. Got a lot of money, well, drink is paid away. Take a shot for the niggas when I fade away. I'll count my blessings, thanking God for another day. Posting pics on Instagram.